Book 63. The Mysterious Case of the Missing iPhones. Once upon a time, in a world not so far away, there was a mysterious phenomenon happening with iPhones. People were using them less and less, and nobody knew why. A clever detective named Max decided to take on the case. Max started by gathering clues. She talked to iPhone users, read articles, and even looked at charts and graphs, and that's when she stumbled upon a surprising connection. The decline in iPhone usage was happening at the same time as a decline in birth rates. Max was intrigued. She had never thought about how iPhones and babies could be related. But as she dug deeper, she found out that many people were choosing to have fewer children or none at all, and that was affecting the way they used their iPhones. You see, when people have babies, they tend to use their iPhones more to take pictures, videos, and share updates with family and friends. But when they don't have babies, they don't need to use their iPhones as much for those things. Max's investigation led her to a group of experts who study demographics and technology. They explained that the decline in birth rates was a complex issue, influenced by many factors such as education, career choices, and social norms. As Max learned more, she realized that the decline in iPhone usage was not just about people using their phones less, but also about the changing way people live their lives. With fewer babies, people had more time for other things, like travel, hobbies, or simply enjoying quiet time. Max's case was solved, but it raised even more questions. What does this mean for the future of technology and society? How will people adapt to these changes, and what will happen to the iPhone industry? Max's story spread like wildfire, and soon people were talking about the connection between iPhones and birth rates. It sparked a conversation about the importance of understanding how technology and society are intertwined. In the end, Max's mystery-solving skills had uncovered a fascinating trend. And who knows, maybe one day someone will write a story about how the iPhone industry adapted to the changing world, and how people found new ways to use their phones that didn't involve taking pictures of babies. The case of the missing iPhones was closed, but the story of how technology and society evolved together was just beginning.